Good morning student, have a nice day. I am your computer teacher Prerna madam. In this video we have to revise all about our practical. Okay, so let's start it children. First of all we have to take the notepad and Internet Explorer. In notepad we have to start the coding. In that coding we have to see all about before all practicals. We have to discuss all thing in a one practical. So let's start it children. First of all we have to take the which one? HTML beginner tag. Now next we have to take the head section. Now we have to take the title section. Okay. Now we have to write here what? My web page. Okay. After that we have to complete the title. After that we will complete the head section. You know everyone. Now we have to discuss all about before practicals in body section. So first of all we have to take body BG color. Okay. For background we have to write orange color. Okay, we have to take the orange color for our background. After that we will take the H1 tag for heading. So what about heading? Our heading is poem. Our heading is poem. So what we have to write the poem heading? Our poem heading is Once I saw a L-I-T-T-L-E little bird, B-I-R-D, bird. After completing this line we have to close the H1 heading. Okay. If we have to showing in the web page our heading, so we have to write here our heading is in center. Okay. This is the center alignment. So we have to appear in our web page. This is the center alignment. So we have to close the inside heading because this is also container tag. We have to close it. After that we will take the break line. Okay. For next line will appear here. Okay. So my poem is once I saw a little bird. After that we have to take again BR tag. Next we have to write next line come hop and hop. Okay. After that we will take the BR tag. Okay, BR tag. For next line we will write I cried little bird, B-I-R-D, little bird. After that we will take the BR tag. We have to write here will you stop one more time stop. Okay, question mark, double quotes close. After we have to write here next line we have to take double BR or given double space. After we have to write here what thing? I was going to the window. Okay, window. Next line we have to write BR tag. We have to write here to say how. Okay, how do you do? Okay, double quotes close and question mark will appear here, double quotes close. And last here we have to close the children body section. We have to close the HTML section and listen to me everyone. First of all we have to give an also font color and font format also. So how to give one? First of all we have to open the notepad. In notepad we have to set the HTML, head, title will we have to write my web page, title will close, head will close. After that we will talk about body, BG equals to orange color, H1 in center. Okay, my poem name is in web page display in the center. After that we will close the center tag and close the H1 tag. After that we will start the poem. So once I saw a little bird, we are using the BR tag. But if we have to showing all things in a web page center, so we have to write here in after BR tag we have to write here center. Okay. After completing this line, we have to close here center tag. After that, we'll see, everyone we have to take here again center, and last we have to close the center. Okay, and we have to take one more time center. So all things will display in center. CENTER. Okay, that tag is what tag? Container tag. That's why we have to take the opening and closing both of tag. Okay, so we have to take here, and last we have to close center tag. After that we will take here, okay, all things in center. We have to write here also center, and in last we have to close with slash center tag. We have to take again center tag, otherwise last in we have to close the center tag. Okay, so all in coming in center side. So after that we will take bold italic underline also. So I will write here my heading in bold and italic also. So we will write here in H1 B for bold, U for underline. So that word is coming in bold, underline, because H1 is already bolder font. Okay, so we don't take. Okay, we are taking only H1 U for underline in center alignment. Okay, after that we will close inside the H1, close the U tag. Okay, for underline tag. After that we will take here in simple line, we have to write here bold. Okay, B, and here also B, and if we have to take the B tag, it is also container tag. So we have to close here inside the center. We have to close the B tag. Here also we have to close B tag. When we take the B tag, we have to close also B tag. Every time B tag also close with the slash. And we have to take here in next line also B for bold. Next we have to close here with the slash B. Okay, that line, all line in appear in the bold word. After that we have to take here I for italic, so that all words will appear in I means italic. Okay, so we have to take I, and next we have to close it inside this slash I. Okay, because that is also container tag. We have to take in every time, and we have to close also. Okay, that is bold, italic, underline, BG color, font formatting, and one more thing, H1 tag, BR tag. Okay, all line is there. If we have to take in here inside, that line will appear after all lines. So we have to take also HR tag without any size, without anything. We have to take only HR for one simple line. Okay, no, don't given any sizes. After that we have to take close the body tag and close the HTML tag. So we will take everyone HTML header, title, we'll write title, close the title, close the header. Then body BG equals to orange, H1 underline in center alignment, poem we have to write. Okay, main point. We have to close center alignment with slash, close the U for underline, close the H1. Okay, after that we will take my poem first line in center, BR tag for break line. After my this topic, after cursor will move in next line, one first line will appear in bold and center, and next one also bold in the center, third one also, fourth one also. We have to not close BR and HR tag, because both of tag is empty tag. if we have to take the HR after this line, one simple horizontal line will appear on the display. After that we have to take center and I for italic. That words is coming for italic words. After that we have to close the italic and center alignment also. Then BR tag we have to take in here, and we have to take in here also BR tag. Okay. After that we will see here I tag will close, center tag will close. Here also I tag and center tag will close. HTML close and body also. Body also close and HTML also close. Now we have to go and save our file in proper way. So now we have to go, and one more thing children. In this font we have to take the font color also. For all things, so we have to write here. In that window we have to write, the font color equals to, in double quotes, red. If I am given one time font color, so all font line color in one color. If I am given one by all lines, we have to color different color, so that all line will appear in different color, font color. But I am given all font color in a red. Okay, so that 4 upper line is in red. So that's why I have to close here slash font. Okay. After completing 4 lines, that all are appear red. After that we have to take in here some line. So that some line are coming in font color equals to some different color. So I have to take here green color. Okay. I have to take in here font for second 2 lines are green color. So we have to close here font color. We have to close in slash font. Okay. After that we will save our file. Now going file, then save as option, then D drive, then write the file name. I have to write win.html. Okay. Win is my file name, .html is extension. Now save. So now we have to complete the all things in a web page. Now we have to go in Internet Explorer, then we have to go in file, then view, then browse, then D drive, then our file name win, then open, then OK. Okay, see everyone, background is orange color, our poem heading appear in center and in black words because it is a heading H1 tag. All lines will appear one by one because we have to see BR tag and center tag also. So all are coming one space also, and coming one by one in center alignment. And this one is HR horizontal line, and this are also coming after horizontal line because we have to take before HR tag. And then that line is coming in green color. Okay, but we have to sing here B also, that is also bold in like this. So we have going again in this video, we have to write here B also, B for bold. Here also we have to take B for bold. If we have to taken the B, so we have to close also. We have to close here B, and here we have to close here also B because B is a container tag. Or one more time save only. Okay, because this is a modification. Now we have to go in web page and we have to go view and refresh option. So that is also appear in bold world. Okay, and if we have to take in here HR width DTH width equals to 20%, size is equal to 5%, and color also we have to given color equals to color also we have to given blue color. Okay, so that is appear also with color. Okay, that is horizontal line. So we have to save one more time because that is the modification. After that we will go in web page and view, then refresh. So that is appear in 5 size, width is 20% and color is blue. That is the horizontal line. If we have to take here 70%. So what about, you can see one time save, and here view then refresh. That line is appearing with this block comparison before. After that blue color and size is 5%. So that is in video we have to do everyone. H1 tag, title will appear with bold, italic, underline font formatting, and we are using BR tag, HR tag, and we are using the bold, italic, underline. We have to see font different color also in that window. We have to see here red color, here green color. So in this practical we will learn all things in a one practical. So everyone enjoy this practical. Have a nice day. Thanks.